Paolo Ballesteros, born November 29, 1982, is a Filipino actor, comedian, and drag queen. He has appeared in films and several TV shows. He is one of the co-hosts of Longtime Noontime show Bulaga since 2001, and he is the host of Drag Race Philippines and Drag Race Philippines, Slasian Royale. In March of 2016, Ballesteros was reportedly suspended from Eat Bulaga for 6 months because of several rants which he posted on his Facebook account. In the post, he discussed his personal grievances with the live show setup, organization, filming process, and catering services. During his 6-month suspension period, Ballesteros took roles in Die Beautiful and Back at Layat NG Guapo Made Boyfriend, and he returned to Eat Bulaga. On September 5, 2016, he received an award as Best Actor for his role in Die Beautiful at the 29th Annual Tokyo International Film Festival. Ballesteros is known for his various impersonation of female and male artists, and he has earned international acclaim for his makeup skills. He has posted pictures of his numerous makeup transformations through his Instagram account, transforming himself into Hollywood celebrities as well as local artists. For the 2016 Tokyo International Film Festival, he impersonated the female celebrities, the first being Angelina Jolie, calling himself Angelina Magdangle, during the red carpet and opening ceremony in an emerald modern Filipiniana fishtail black velvet terno gown with typical squared sleeves, black opera gloves, and black high heels. Ballesteros is related to Filipino painter Fernando Amorsolo, who is his great-grandfather, and fellow celebrity Eula Valdez, who is his aunt. He was romantically involved with Katrina Nevada, with whom he has a daughter, Kira Claire. In August 2019, during a press conference for the film The Panty Sisters, Ballesteros came out as gay after years of speculation on his sexuality. His first foray into the Philippine entertainment industry is through Eat Bulaga. As a co-host of the segment You Bet, a pageant for university students. As part of the segment, Paolo hosted on remote locations, visiting university campuses across the country. Eventually, he became a regular host of the Noontime show. He was 18 years old at the time he joined the show. During his early years on Eat Bulaga, Paolo was paired with co-host Chiara Sato and were together dubbed as Cha Pao. He was eventually included in the segment Juan for All for Juan, by Annie Han of D People with co-hosts Jose Manalo and Whaley Bayola. Together, they became known as Jao Pao. Paolo Ballesteros was born on the 29th of November, 1982 in Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija to Elito Amorsolo Ballesteros Jr. and Danielita Macapagal, the only boy and youngest among 3 children. His sisters are Laylin and Roxanne. His father was a self-employed artist who served in the United States Navy during the Vietnam War. His mother is a dietitian who works in a hospital. Paolo grew up in Cabanatuan. When he was 6, his father moved to New York and decided to start a family with his new wife there. As a result, Paolo has a half-sibling named Jamie. He finished his elementary education at the College of the Immaculate Conception, while his secondary education was at the Cabanatuan City Science High School. Paolo pursued a degree in Communications at St. Louis University in Baguio, but failed to finish after entering showbiz. Paolo is the great-grandson of Filipino national artist Fernando Amorsolo. Paolo's paternal grandmother is his daughter. Interestingly, that same grandmother is the sister of Eula Valdez's mother, so Eula is his aunt. In addition, Paolo is also a distant maternal relative of Joey De Leon's wife, Eileen Macapagal, who is also related to former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Growing up, young Paolo Ballesteros aspired to become a famous celebrity someday. In high school, Paolo was part of the Theater Guild and the Glee Club, starring in plays like Once on This Island, Three Rats, and Cutum. In an interview, Paolo revealed that he wrote at the back of his notebook and memorized the address of Tape, Inc. office, the former production company behind Eat Bulaga, in hopes of joining the show's segments and contests, especially Mr. Pogi, someday. Even though he never joined Mr. Pogi, Paolo actually became part of the special Valentine's Day reality dating segment Hard to Get in the late 1990s as a searcher. The segment at that time was hosted by Vic Sato and Donita Rose. Well-known actress Eula Valdez, his aunt, took notice of Paolo's attempts in showbiz that she introduced his nephew to Joji Dingkong, a talent manager who previously handled talents like Piolo Pascual and Kogi Domingo. Paolo was studying at St. Louis University when one of his cousins took him to an advertising agency. He went to auditions and did VTRS, which started his appearance in various television commercials. In 2001, Paolo was introduced by his talent manager to Tape Inc., executive Malu Choafager, who then offered him to become a host of a segment which he accepted. Paolo Ballesteros was romantically involved with Maria Katrina K. Nevada, Paolo's classmate in college. Their relationship was only short-lived before breaking up a year later. They have a daughter named Kira Claire, born the 29th of November 2008. In the early 2010s, Paolo and his ex-girlfriend was caught in a controversy following a lawsuit with Katrina's parents who took custody over their daughter. The courts favored the custody of Paolo's daughter to the pair. However, their daughter stayed with Kay to live in the United States, which is an amicable agreement between the former couple. Paolo is openly gay. Initially, he did not confirm his sexuality but has strongly hinted through his Instagram posts by accepting gay roles both in film and television, and with jokes about his sexuality on Bulaga. In April 2017, Paolo posted pictures of him together with another man, wearing identical rings and matching tattoos. Included in the caption with a heart and rainbow emojis, a symbol of the LGBT pride. Netizens speculated that the man in the picture may have had a relationship with Paolo, and the post is their way of publicly coming out. In 2019, he confirmed his sexuality during a press conference for the comedy film The Panty Sisters. After being questioned, he responded that he feels there is no need for him to confirm whether he's gay or not, saying he has always been open about his sexual orientation. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.